Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to fix the equation of a line in 3 easy steps. Which ones are the 3 easy steps? 1. Get a slope. 2. Get b. 3. Plug in the values into y equal mx plus b. And when we are trying to get the equation of a line, we can find 3 different scenarios. The first one, give it a slope and y-interception. Let's see this example. Get the equation of a line with a slope of m equal 4 and crosses the y-axis on b equal 3. As you know, the crosses with y-axis always is b. That means my line going to start here. This is very easy because we have y equal mx plus b. I have slope and I have b. Remember, when you want to fix the equation of a line, always you are looking for two parameters, slope and y-interception. Because we have slope and y-interception, the only thing that we have to do is substitute. So my slope is 4 and my y-interception is 3. And this is the equation of the line. It's very easy when we have that information. Let's see the second example. Given a slope and a point, this is a classic example. Get the equation of a line with a slope m equal 4, so I have m equal 4 as a slope, and passes through the point a 3, 2. So remember, y equal mx plus b. I need m and I need b. I have m from the statement, so I know that m is equal 4. Then I need to calculate b. How I'm going to calculate b? Very easy. b is equal y minus mx. And which going to be y? The y of the point. And which one going to be x? The x of the point. So I'm going to substitute here. b is equal 2 minus 4 times 3. b is equals 2 minus 12, that is equal negative 10. So now I have b is negative 10. And I can fix now my equation. Y equal mx plus b. Why a negative here? Because positive times negative is negative. So y equal 4x minus 10. This is our second example when I have the slope and I have a point. Our third example is when I have 2 points. This is a classic example too, and it's very common to find it. For example, if I have a equal 3, 2, maybe is here, and b equal negative 2, negative 4, maybe is here, and I need to find the equation of this line. It's very easy. Remember, when you are looking for the equation of a line, you need two parameters. The slope, that is m, and the y-interception, that is b. Then, how I'm going to get m? If you remember from the class of yesterday, m is equal y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I'm going to choose that this is x1, y1, x2, y2. And remember, it doesn't matter. It could be in the other way, but we're going to get the same result. I'm going to substitute here. So y2 is equal negative 4. So I have negative 4 minus, because my formula has a minus sign here. And y1 is equal 2. Divide by x2, that is negative 2, minus, because my formula has a negative sign here, x1, that is 3. So I have here minus 6 divided by minus 5. And negative divided by negative, we're going to get positive. So my slope is 6/5. Okay, I have the slope, 6/5. And I need to get b. How I'm going to get b? If you remember from the example of the case 2, b going to be equal y minus mx. So b going to be, which going to be x and y? I have 2 points. It doesn't matter which one you choose. Choose whatever you want and you're going to have the same result. So I'm going to choose A. Then y is equal to, because y is equal to, minus my slope, that is 6/5, times x, that is 3. I'm going to write 3 here. Okay, if you choose B to work, it's going to have the same result. So B is equal to minus 18/5. And well, the only thing that you need to do here is solve this. Minus 8/5. So now I have B, that remember here is the y-interception. Now it's time to fix my line. To fix the line, it's very easy. You only need to remember here y equal, instead of m, I'm going to write the value of m, that is log 6/5 of x, plus b. Instead of b, I'm going to write the value of b, minus 8/5. Then, in conclusion, always as you want to find the equation of a line, it's very important. Remember the 3 easy steps. Get m and get b. Then you can fix your line. How are you going to get m? Well, with the formula of m. How are you going to get b? With the formula of b. Thanks. If you have any question, you know where I am.